Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing well. So in today's video I am going to create Deepika Padukone's Mumbai reception look, and today I am going to show you how you can style this look in various events. So the first look will be this one. This is an everyday look. You can definitely wear this look to a date as well. So the second look is this one, which is a traditional look which you can wear to any puja or a wedding party. And the third look will be a wedding reception look. So if you want to see how I create and style this look, then please keep on watching. Starting up with my base, first I'm using this Maybelline Master Prime Blur Perfect Primer and I'm applying that all over my face. For my foundation, today I am using the NYKAA SKINGENIUS Liquid Foundation and I am going to mix YBP Color Cream Goddess with this. And to blend the foundation, I am using my PAK Beauty Blender. Highlighting my face with my Maybelline Fit Me Concealer in the shade number 25. To set my face, today I am using the Makeup Revolution Banana Powder. The brush I am using is from PAK. This is 261. And for my bronzer, I am using this MUA bronzer. And the brush to blend I am using is PAK 261. For blush, I'm taking this shade from the NYKAA Sweet Cheeks palette and the brush I'm applying with is PAK 306 stippling brush. For highlighting my face, I'm mixing both of this shade from the Makeup Revolution HD highlighter palette and the brush I'm using is from Sigma. This is Fan Brush F42. Did my brows off camera. For my eye makeup, I'm using the ColourPop I Think I Love You palette. First, taking the shade Bel Air on my PAK 204 brush and I'm applying that on my crease as my transition shade. Taking the shade My Type on the same brush and I'm going to apply that on my outer corners of the eye. Applying the same shades on my lower lash line with my Pro Arte PE19 brush. Taking the shade Haughty in my Pro Arte PE23 brush, I'm applying that shade on the outer corners of my eye. Also taking that same shade on my lower lash line. Now taking the mixture of Better Bitter and Girl's Bite on a Morphe shader brush, I'm applying that all over my eyelid. And going back with the previous blending brush and blending out the edges. Taking the same Haughty shade on a pencil brush and applying that close to my lash line. Applying some mascara on my top and bottom lashes. This is Maybelline Lash Sensational Mascara. Applying the same highlighter on my inner corners and my brow bone. Applying the same highlighter on my forehead as well. Lipstick, first I went with Maybelline Creamy Matte Lipstick in the shade Touch of Spice. And then went with a lip gloss from Faces in the shade Candy Eyes. So guys, this is the finished look and this is the look I created inspired by her look. She looks absolutely breathtaking, but this look is so gorgeous and so beautiful that you can wear it in your daily life. So I'm going to show you how you can style this look in various functions. So the first look is this one. This is the everyday look. I definitely add a glitter jacket, a earring for this. So I'm going to show you how. So you can add a glittery jacket or a normal denim jacket and wear a pair of earrings and See how you can wear this look every day to any event, or if you're going for a date as well. So guys, the second look is this one. You can totally rock this look at any wedding or any pujo, I would say. So to create this look is very simple. You have to add some jewelries. I have added a nose pin as well and a bindi. You can totally avoid the nose pin and the bindi if you want, and you can go with a light jewelry if you want to. And that's it. This is look number 2. This is look number 3, and this you can wear it on your wedding day or your reception day. It's a beautiful bridal look, and if you want you can change up the lip color, you can avoid the bindi, and you can definitely avoid the nose pin as well. You can also wear a tiara with this. This look will definitely go with any outfit you wear, and I absolutely love this look. Anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you guys did, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Share this video with your friends and family, because this is the wedding season and this video might help a lot of people. And if you want to buy any of the products, do check out the description box below. I will mention the links. And thank you for watching this video. I hope to see you again on the next video. Till then, take care. I love you all.